Hello, good morning. I'm discussing Gestalt psychology under educational philosophy. Gestalt psychology believes that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. For example, in human body, there are the cells, tissues, organs, systems, etc. The sum of all these components human body is greater than the sum of its parts. This is because the parts are interrelated to each other. Further, Gestalt psychology demonstrated the significance of perception. It is also so that complex learning need not occur gradually through lengthy practice, but may develop through insight. Core principle of Gestalt psychology, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Perception is not just the result of combining sensory inputs, but involves the organizing them into coherent whole. Holistic perception, the mind tends to perceive the objects as a parts of a greater whole rather than isolated elements. Self-organization, the humans instinctively organize sensory information into patterns and structure. Gestalt principle of perception, law of proximity, elements that are close to one another are perceived as a group. Law of similarity, elements that look similar are grouped together. Law of continuity, the mind prefers to see continuous, smooth patterns rather than abrupt change. Law of closure, the mind fills in gaps to create a complete whole object. Law of figure ground, will instinctively separate objects from their backgrounds. Law of simplicity, we perceive the complex arrangement in their simplest form. Critics of Gestalt psychology, lack of empirical rigor. Early Gestalt research relied heavily on the subjective observation, leading some to questions in scientific basis. Overemphasis on perception, critics argue that is the underestimates the rules of learning, memory, and cultural influence on perception, limited focus. Gestalt psychology is less concerned with developmental or cognitive process compared to other psychological theories. It is all about Gestalt psychology. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the person that is now. Bye bye.